Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindsay Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting, and I do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. I also share my investment journey of stocks and shares and crypto with you guys as well. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. So in today's video, we'll be going over how much dividends I received on my monthly dividends and my quarterly dividends. I'll also be having a look at my growth stocks and my overall growth. So having a look at my dividend income for the month of May, you will see I've earned £17.29. Now we are almost close to being my first full year, so I'm really happy with the progress I made with the little bits I put in every single month. As you can see, for the month of May, I've invested £255.12 into my monthly income. And in my quarterly stocks, I invested £89.76. And in my growth stocks, I put in £188.69. So let's go have a look at a breakdown of what I bought for the month of May. So having a look at my monthly stocks, you will see I bought more of LTC Properties. I bought 2 shares on the 5th of May at a cost of £57.90. That brings my total amount of shares to 10. And then we also bought more of Agree Realty Corporation. I bought 4 more shares of that one on the 7th of May at a cost of £197.22. That means I own 6 shares now. And my overall investment so far for the year is £1,272.78. Having a look at what did I earn for the month. First off, on realty income, we earned £1.41. Then we earned on LTC Properties 93 pence. On Stag Industrial, we earned £1.09. On Main Street Capital, we earned £1.23. On Bambina Pipeline, we earned £1.45. Gladstone Commercial Corporation, we earned 77 pence. AGNC Investment Corporation, we earned £1.01. Agree Realty Corporation, we earned 26 pence. And Whitestone REIT, we earned 22 pence. That gives you a total of £8.37. That is my highest monthly income so far on my monthly dividends. So this is almost double what I earned in January. So I'm really happy with the growth so far. If you are looking for stock analysis for all the companies I bought this month and bought in previous months, I'll leave the links in the description below where you can go and have a look at the ones you are interested in. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm and I would appreciate your support a lot. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So having a look at my quarterly paying dividend stocks, you will see I bought 2 more shares of ExxonMobil on the 10th of May at a cost of $89.76. And having a look at what dividends I received for the month of May. So first off, we've got AT&T. I own 18 shares of AT&T and this paid out £5.73. Next, we've got Enterprise Product Partners that I own 10 shares of and this paid out £3.19. That gives you a total of £8.92. As long as my dividends keep on growing, I'm really happy with the progress. If you'd like to get your own free shares in Trading 212, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can use to sign up. I'll definitely recommend, if you live in the UK, to sign up for an ISA account. The reason for that is that keeps all your money safe from taxes. So all the growth your portfolio makes means you don't have to pay any taxes on it and you can invest up to £20,000 in your ISAs per year. So having a look at my growth stocks for the month of May, you will see I bought a few more shares this month, even though I don't really want to invest in my growth stocks that much at the moment. The thing is, they are all in the red. This just means this is a great time for me to bring down my costing average, because I do believe in these companies in the long run, but my main thing I want to do with my growth stocks at the moment is try and get as many free shares as possible this year. So bringing down my costing average is really important to be able to achieve. believe this. So let's have a look at what did I buy for the month of May. So first off, I bought Virgin Galactic. I bought 10 shares on the 7th of May at a cost of 137.73. Next, I bought 2 more shares of Workhorse on the 18th of May at a cost of £12.85. Then I bought 1 share of QuantumScape on the 5th of May at a cost of £24.96. And lastly, I bought 5 more shares of IZEA on the 5th of May at a cost of £13.15. This gives me a total of 188.69. So having a look at my growth. So for the month of May, you can see I'm in the plus for my Virgin Galactic. Workhorse, I'm in a minus. Rolls-Royce, I'm still in a plus. QuantumScape, I'm in a minus. Cirrus Corporation, I'm in a minus. Tesla, I'm in a minus as well. IZEA Worldwide, I'm in a minus. Dimensions Mines, I'm in a minus as well. So overall, I'm in a minus of 54.22, which is a lot better than it was last month. But if you have a look at all my monthly totals, you will just see it's up and down. That's the normal stock market. But overall, I'm really happy with the stocks I've got. But I'm really going to try and see how many of these companies I can turn into free shares by the end of this year. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.